What's up, guys? I hope you look good. I was actually looking at USDCHF. Just want to show you real quick how I'm looking at things. Um, Going back to the weekly, right? The weekly time frame is currently bearish. Obviously, you can clearly see, but I am really hoping for the weekly time frame to actually come to this area of interest right over here. This is when obviously I would expect price to start dropping. The nice thing about it is that the EMA would have probably just gone down too, right? But yeah, man, I'm just anticipating how price is moving. So moving on to the daily time frame. The daily time frame, guys, you can clearly see. Let me just do this. The daily time frame, you can clearly see that price is bullish, right? Price is bullish. We broke above this higher low right over here, lower high right over here, created this higher high. This is our last higher low, and obviously this is our new potential higher low, right? So the nice thing about it is that we had an engulfing candlestick. We had this wick pullback that we were looking for to take these longs, right? What I love about it is that we broke above this area of interest. You can clearly see that it's been well respected over time, right? It's been respected here, it's been respected here, it's been respected here, it's been respected here, right? So obviously now with this pullback here, it was kind of respecting price, right? So that's one thing that I love about it. That I was retesting the daily area of interest and also the EMA too, which is lovely, guys, which is lovely. And on the 4 hour time frame, obviously, I was also waiting for price to turn bullish. You can clearly see that we broke above this the lower high point, created this higher high, higher low here, and then price obviously gave us a pullback, right? This is the the daily week pullback, right? You see how it's clear on the 4 hour with the bodies. And then obviously now all I was waiting for is for the forward to show me its hand by giving me a bullish rejection candlestick. Can clearly see that we had a bullish engulfing candlestick here, which also broke above our higher high. So obviously if I enter my trades here, putting my stop loss right over there would be right, because if it hits me, then obviously price would turn bearish again, right? So that would mean that I'm completely wrong. But yeah, man, this is how I was looking at the USD Another nice thing about it is that we had shift of structures on lower time frames, right? So that's one thing that I love about it, bro. But yeah, as far as the analysis goes, guys, I'll keep on updating you on how obviously now these trades go, right? Right now, I just want to show you how it looks on my MT5, right? So yeah, guys, this is the Equity Edge account, guys. Obviously, currently in these trades, right? I took 3 positions by mistake. The third trade I actually entered by mistake. I was initially willing to risk 1% per trade on each, right? So obviously now with 3 positions, obviously now risking 3%, right? Because for each position it's $100, right? So now I have a decision to make. It's either obviously I keep on holding and see what happens, which is too risky. It's too risky, I'm not gonna lie, but obviously the rewards will also be nice, you understand me, guys? But yeah, man, I still have to make a decision. I still have to make a decision. The smartest thing to do is to obviously cap it at 2%, bro. Like risk 2% for this trade. Obviously if I risk 2%, I'm probably making like $400 more or less, right? $400 more or less. So right now with this, I'm gonna be making like $600. So it's a matter of do I close or do I hold, right? But yeah, I think I'm gonna just keep on holding and close that position that's at the top there, the one that's running minus $10. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. But yeah, man, right now I'm to sleep, yo. I'm really tired. I have to go to work tomorrow. But anyways, guys, if you've made it this far to the video, Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment. Tell me, what do you think is going to happen? What do you think is going to happen with these trades, right? You already saw the analysis, you saw everything, I've shown you everything. So what do you think is going to happen, guys? But yeah, I guess we'll see, man. Otherwise, I'll keep on updating you guys. Yes, sir, man. Imagine like being able to wake up to this, bro. Imagine, bro. So yeah, man. I ended up not closing the other position on USD CHF, right? I ended up keeping 3 positions, which I'm glad I did. The setup was too good, bro. Like, no lie, the setup was too good. Look at that. Would you look at that? But yeah, man, in any case, I woke up late and I have to go to work around 10. I actually set an alarm for 9, bro, because I thought I was going at work around 11, right? But hey, bro, it's 10, so now I have to do things in a hurry. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, guys, stay tuned. I think I'm just gonna keep on holding these positions, right? Yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep on holding these positions and see how everything goes, my brother. Otherwise, you know what it is. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like all the good things, man, and comment, guys. Bro, I'm literally telling you, bro. Look at this. Look at this, bro. Like, literally, I'm running like 2.2%, basically, right, on this account. Now, I have a choice to close because initially, if I had taken only one position, I obviously would have closed at like 2.5%, right? So I do have that choice to close, right? But I still think that price might actually just surprise me. Price might actually just push towards the upside, right? But one thing I shouldn't forget is that this is a B setup. This is not an A plus setup. This is a B setup, right? So holding for too long isn't allowed, basically, right? So right now, what I'm gonna do, I'm just simply going to lock my profits, so that if I'm going to continue holding these trades, I know for sure that, okay, if it hits me, I'm not losing anything and I'm okay with it, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna do that, and yeah, just lock my trades, bro. I added one position by mistake again. You know, I keep on making this mistake. Now I have to wait for 2 minutes to pass before I can close the position, because I can't close now, right? I'm gonna breach the account, and now all I'm going to do is modify. And yeah, bro, this is it. This is the trades. Lovely setup. I'm just gonna show you how it looks on TradingView from my phone. So yeah, guys, this is how the setup is looking on my TradingView. Obviously now we haven't reached the TP point. I love how the previous 4-hour candlestick rejected from, you know, bearish to obviously turning bullish again. I really love that. The 1-hour time frame, we clearly had the strong engulfing. So yeah, man, I think I'm just gonna keep on holding with my stop loss into profits, simply because, bro, we haven't reached the daily area of interest, right? I wanna hold until that daily area of interest, because there's no other area of interest besides that, right? So yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep on holding this one and just see how it goes, bro. But otherwise, this one is a good setup. I'm just going to move this here just to show me that I've locked my profits, right? But otherwise, man, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. I'll keep on updating you guys until I close the trades. Wow, guys, I don't even know what to say, man. Like, yo, I just knocked off work right now and look at this, bro. 400 US dollars currently running, bro. See what I'm talking about, guys? The power of set and forget. But since all this day trade, bro, I made more than enough, and I'm really satisfied with the profits that I made. So I'm just gonna close all my trades. Look at that. Just look at that, bro. The first trades that I took on this account, we already bagged 4%, 4.3%, bro. Literally. Yo, guys, would you look at that, bro? We didn't even hit TP, but I already closed it, because if I took two positions, right? If price hit my TP, I would have closed around 500. But yeah, man, I closed around 432 US dollars, which is good. So bro, y'all are playing games, man. Anyways, that's the end of the video, guys. Right now, all I want to do, I just want to show you the dashboard, right? I want to show you the dashboard. Yes, 100% win rate, because I haven't taken any loss, right? Now you can clearly see my max loss up, right? And this is my profit target. The profit remaining is $570, which is good. And yeah, I do have that minimum trading day one, so I obviously have to trade again. But bro, yeah, this is good. First trade on the 10k account, and I'm already going good, right? So yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you comment. Let me know what you think, man. Otherwise, guys, I will see you on the next video. Away.